Hey Jooba people, welcome to another lesson. Today we're learning Brandon Lake's brand new song House of Miracles. It's in the key of D. I'm going to go straight into giving you the chords and then I'm going to go through a playthrough. Okay, so we're going to break down the chords, the strumming, everything in the song for you. It's in the key of D, uses the chords D, G, A, D/F sharp and a B minor. And it's a fun song to play, really cool. Okay, so let's quickly start with the chords. You see the chords there. I'm just going to give you a close-up. And the first chord is a D, focus, okay, D chord, oh that's a D sus2, let me just go to the first chord here. The first chord is a D, so it's just the usual D. You can play the 5th string, but it's not really necessary, you can play from the 4th string. Make sure you don't play the E string, otherwise you get that nasty sound. Okay, so D chord is the first one. Sometimes you can use a D sus2, just take off the middle finger here. Alright, that can be nice as well. Everywhere where there's a D, you can play D sus2. Okay, then here we got a D sus F sharp. Now you can play a D sus F sharp like that, or you can put your thumb here. Oh, sorry, this is the way to play D sus F sharp. Put your thumb there, so you have that bass. The alternative way to play it is to play D sus2 like this, and to put this finger at the top, if you can't do it with your thumb. Okay, and if you really can't get this chord, then you can just stick to its usual D, even if the chord chart says D/F sharp. Okay, so that's the D/F sharp. Now we go to B minor. This is an easy B minor. Mute the top string with either with your thumb or with the first finger there, just slightly touching the 6th string. That's your B minor. Okay, then we're going to go to an alternative B minor, which is also easy. It looks like an E minor. You should play E minor and take all your fingers up one string, and then add this one on the 3rd string over there. Okay. And you can also add your pinky at the bottom. And this chord you can also play like this, which is the way it's shown in the diagram. Okay. But I like to play it like this. Also a nice B minor. Okay, so see which one works best for you, and then alternatively you can use this B minor. It's at the 7th fret. Make sure you mute that's what this little X over there means. Okay, so that's I really love this B minor. It's so nice to play. Okay, let's keep going on. A sus2, which in the chord chart you can see an A there, but you can play an A sus2. It sounds really nice. There's an A, there's an A sus2. Okay, so then a G, you can use your usual G just like that, or you can play this G, which I like, to just take the index finger off and just mute the 5th string over there. Super nice chord to play. Alright, I think if you know that, then we can get going to the playthrough of the song. Okay, so the intro is simple, just G, D. What are you doing? Okay, I'm just going to play through it quickly so you guys get the idea. Here we go. Let's make it slower. So it's just G for the intro. G. This is a house of worship. This is a place of praise. Just play a D here, where every demon trembles, where we proclaim your praise. I'm just going to pause there quickly. You notice sometimes with the A, you can play an A sus4. So A sus4, A sus2, A sus4, but just play an A if you're more comfortable with that. Okay, let's keep going. This is a house of healing. Our hearts are full of faith. We have your full that's it for the playthrough. That was pretty easy. The only thing left for us to do now is to do the strumming pattern, which you'll see in the link. We'll be able to find it. Whoa. Okay, there we go. So the strumming is just a simple down, 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 down with a palm muting. So you want to palm mute it, and you want to palm mute it. Just put your hand slightly, this part of your hand, put it slightly on the bridge like that. Okay, and then you just play a D down, and you want to accent certain beats, the 2 and the 4. So you want to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Oh, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. This is a house of worship. 1, 2, 3, 4. The hound of praise. So that's basically what you want. And for the chorus, you can also do come alive in the name of Jesus. Come alive in the name of Jesus. Some miracles. We sing everything. Free of Jesus, everything. Cool. That's that for this song. Super easy, super good beginner song to play if you're wanting to start to play in the key of D. If you're tired of playing just in the key of G, you can also play the song in the key of G, capo on the 5th fret, 7th fret. You can play this is a house, C worship, D, G/B. This is a praise. You could do that. Just transpose it. Up a few, D to G, going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just transpose it up 5 on ultimate guitar, and then you just play G chords. And if you're a female vocal, maybe you're going to take that a little bit down. Maybe you're going to play it in G capo 5. So you're going to, this is a house of worship. I don't know, try it out, female vocals. Maybe you can sing with him because he's singing really high. So I think maybe the original will be fine for female vocals. Okay guys, have a nice day. We've got a cool chord book coming out soon. Follow us on Instagram, just DM us there if you want to know more about the chord book. Sign up for private lessons. You can do that at, let me just put this on quickly while I'm talking. Okay, so yeah, you can follow us at Jooba Music on Instagram and Jooba School on Facebook. You can subscribe to us. We've got a lot happening, and we give private lessons over Zoom video calling. Right now during the COVID thing, and to anybody all over the world. So if you're not staying in South Africa, don't worry, we're going to give you lessons anyway. And have a nice day. Let me know what other Brandon Lake tutorials you guys want to see, because I plan to do a lot of his ones. Okay, cheers guys. Wait, before I go, I'm going to show you a couple of advanced ways you guys can play the chorus of this song. So let me just open the chorus here. Come alive in the name of Jesus. Come alive in the name of Jesus. This is a house of miracles. Everything to the feet of Jesus. Everything to the feet of Jesus. This is a house of miracles. I might have missed something, the bridge, but the bridge is pretty simple. Yeah. I still believe you're speaking. Lord, I believe your word. All things for good. Don't know you die. This is a really nice A. If you're watching to this part of the video, then you're probably really excited about the song, and then you should learn to play this A. 5, 6, 7. Anyway, cheers. Have a nice day, guys.